This is Bev Brown, Director of Customer Success for IHT. The purpose of this video is to explain to teachers how to assess the grade level outcomes. After logging into IHT, you'll click on Dashboard. After you click on Dashboard, latest activities will appear. Slide to the bottom of the page, click Next. And then once again, it will state the various states and their statewide data collection. Click on your hyperlink for your state. You will see a list of grades. And with that list of grade is a hyperlink. So for an example, if I click on 4th grade, it will open up a new tab. And within that new tab, it will explain to me the specifics that I need to know for that grade level. So for an example, this is to throw overhand using a mature pattern. So we're going to assess the form, and the criteria is listed below, as well as the accuracy. And everything is listed as far as the steps. We need everybody to follow these steps so that the data is as accurate as possible. When I review this page, grades 1 through 6, everybody has the same grade level outcome. Grade 7, you have a choice between Standard 1, Measure 1, and Standard 3, Measure 15. So for this, if you are going to collect data on 7th grade, you have a choice, either or. Grade 8, there is one measure that everybody will be assessing. When I go to the high school level, there are 3 options. Standard 1, health-related fitness. Standard 3, fitness technique, and that is the bench press. Standard 3, fitness plan. So I will demonstrate what a 4th grade teacher would need to consider. As I look at the protocols here, I have measures for the form. I know what the 1 through 4 levels will look like. The accuracy, same thing, 1 through 4. If I go to page 2, assessment protocols, it will give you the step-by-step instructions on how that assessment should be performed. And if you look at the last bullet, it says you will have 3 throws. Now click on the orange tab that says Assessments. Next, click on New Assessment. The assessment property page will appear. Right now, I'm demonstrating with grade 4, so I'll click on grade 4. Accuracy 1, 2, 3. A reminder, they get 3 attempts. And form 1, 2, 3. Then I would go over for which group. I'd find the group that I'm going to collect data on. Slide to the bottom of the page, create assessment. So this is one format that IHT has that teachers can input the data. So in this situation, what I would probably do, it's a 4-level rubric. I would look at student 1 and I would input the data on where the student is with each of his throws. Then I would look at the accuracy as well and put in the information. The other way that you could do it is you could click on Form for the first assessment. And if you're going to give everybody 1 throw at a time, depending on how you're doing this as a teacher, if you click on the hyperlink here, it will give you the information right here on which measure you're assessing. And now you can put the data in for each student per throw. So it kind of depends on how you're setting up your assessment. What I like about this page is that I can see all my kids at once and I can focus on just their first attempt. If you look at this page, you can look at your student and look at all the attempts. That concludes our tip on how to assess grade level outcomes. Tomorrow's tip will be how to assess and find the protocols for social emotional learning.